To access the responses from your survey, in the form you click on the responses tab. It gives you a summary. It gives you by the responses, the number of responses by the question, and also the individual form. To generate a Google Sheet where you can create graphs, you click on the green icon, and the first time it asks you to create a new spreadsheet. So then you click create, you select create. It shows you the populated sheet such as you see here. So what I can do is I can generate some graphs. If I select the column, so I'm going to create some graphs for I like chicken Alfredo. I select insert chart. If I want to change the name, the title, I can do that. Probably respondents view on Alfredo. If you want, you can have a legend. Show the legend at the top. Oh, I can label the slices if I wanted to. I can put values on the slices as well. I can put percentages on the slices. I can change the colors if I don't like the colors as they are. So I can make strongly disagree. Let's say black, for example. Well, yeah. And if I want to revert to what I had, I can change this chart type. I can select a different chart type, a bar chart, and I can customize this with different colors. So to do that, I double click and I can change the color for each. If I want the vertical axis line to appear and customize on the vertical axis, I can click on show line as well. If I want labels on the series, I can scroll down to the bottom and I can input some data labels, and I can change the position if I like. Alright, I can name the axes as well if I like. So I can go chart and title, vertical axis. On the vertical axis, I can number of respondents. I have some other options. I can download the chart as an image. I can add alt text as well to the chart, but I can download the chart as an image to import into Microsoft Word.